Hannisah binti Muhammad Nayan. My matrix number is J25A1691.
Hi, my name is AISYAH binti AHMAD ZULKIFRI. No matrix J25A1468.
Hello, my name is Siti binti RAHMAT and my matrix is J25A1216.
This system is made to make sure the dirty water can be used by using simple materials. Clean water is important to ensure our health, but sometimes water can become dirty because of dust, soil or small particles. So that is why we use a filtration system to help remove these impurities to make the water become more clearer and safe to use. This project teaches us how a simple filter works using basic layers like sand, gravel and activated charcoal. Even nowadays, many people still face problems with dirty water, especially in rural or emergency situations. It is expensive for people to buy the commercial water filter. So we need a low-cost, easy and effective method to filter the water. Our DIY system aims to solve these problems by using cheap and easy materials that everyone can find.
Today I want to explain about material and method. Material that we use to assemble the water filter is plastic bottle, rock, fine sand, coarse sand, charcoal, carton, rubber band and coffee filter. I will explain the steps to prepare our homemade water filter. First, cut the plastic bottle into the two parts. Second, use the top part of the bottle as the main container for layering all the filter materials. Third, place the coffee filter at the bottom layer, securing it if necessary. Fourth, add a layer of cotton on top of the coffee filter. 5. Pour fine sand on top of the cotton, creating layer about 2 cm per each layer. 6. Add a layer of charcoal above the fine sand. 7. Place stone on top of the charcoal layer. And lastly, add coarse sand as the topmost layer. So, that's how we made our water filter.
The result is, after examining the experiment, we found that there were changes in the turbidity readings of each type of water tested. However, the turbidity reading of the methylene blue water increased, possibly due to certain weakness in the homemade water filter or because the measuring instrument used was faulty. But I also found that this water filter was able to reduce the turbidity smell and acidity of the dirty water. That's it of the result from our experiment. overall, we know that our homemade water filter can be useful to us when we had an emergency situation like floods and being trapped on the forest. And we can use this water filter when we gonna do camping activities in the forest. On the other hand, we learned that natural resource can be useful to change acidic water into alkaline water and making it safe to drink. That's all. Thank you.